Hello everybody. Ano po ang ginagawa ng isang managing head o owner ng company kapag nag-resign o na-terminate ang services ng isang pollution control officer sa company? May sagot dyan ang Section 9 ng DNR Administrative Order 2014-02. Ang nakalagay doon ay dapat mag-notify in writing ang managing head sa concerned regional office ng DNR-EMB. In case of resignation or termination of services of PCO, the managing head shall notify EMB Regional Office in writing within 15 days upon effectivity of resignation. Paano po ang format ng resignation letter or notification letter? So meron tayo dito example ng resignation or termination letter as pollution control officer addressed to the regional director, to the EMB regional office. So halimbawa meron tayo ditong date, May 7, 2025, at i-address po ang notification letter sa regional director. Halimbawa, Honorable Robert Angelo Metin. Siya ang Regional Director ng EMB Region 4A Calabarzon Region at ang office address 4th floor PITX Tower 2 Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. Ano ba ang nakalagay dito? Subject, resignation or termination letter as PCO. Dear Director Metin, warm greetings, dear. Lagyan natin. This is to notify your good office that name, ito po yung name ng PCO. Halimbawa, Mr. Jeric Picasso has resigned or been terminated to his post as Pollution Control Officer of kung ano po ang name ng establishment. So, halimbawa nakalagay ay ABC Gasoline Station. Effective this, kung anong date po, kasi magka-count yung 15 days po. Dapat nakapag-notify na mula nung nag-resign or na-terminate ang services ng PCO. Halimbawa, meron tayong May 1, 2025. So, dapat lang within 15 days makapag-notify. Further, we would like to appoint or designate. Dito po, nagbibigay naman tayo ng information kung sino ang magiging kapalit ng nag-resign o na-terminate na PCO sa company. So, halimbawa, Mr. Diego Silang as the new pollution control officer of the above mentioned or above cited establishment. Below are the details. Yan, linawin natin. Ang name ng previous PCO ay Jeric Picasso. Ang accreditation number niya ay halimbawa 2024 2024-01. Yan, issued on halimbawa po January 3, 20, natin January 5, 2024, valid until January 5, 2027. Pero nag-resign na. So, ang bagong name ng PCO ay si Diego Silang. Siya ngayon ang appointed. So, ang final name ng new PCO ay si Diego Silang. So this notification was made pursuant to Section 9 of DAO 2014-02 in case of resignation or termination of the services of the Pollution Control Officer. Thank you very much sincerely. At ang nakalagay na pangalan dito, yung pong managing head or owner ng company. So, halimbawa, ang pangalan ay Mr. Peter S. Pan. Siya ang managing head. Halimbawa ng JPEX. Date signed May 7, 2025. Okay, so this is the sample of a notification letter addressed to the regional director, to the concerned EMB regional office in case of resignation or termination of the services of the PCO. Mahalaga dito na malagay yung pinakapangalan nung nag-resign o na-terminate at sino ang kapalit, effectivity nung resignation or termination para ma-count din yung within 15 days dapat meron ng notification sa EMB at ang pinaka-highlight dito from this date na nag-notify another 15 days para po magkaroon ng accreditation ang bagong PCO which include yung training, basic training for PCO at syempre yung time para sa pag-apply na ng accreditation. So a total of 30 calendar days. At kailangan pirmahan ito at isasubmit ito sa concerned EMB Regional Office. Pwede po itong via email sa email ng record section ng EMB Regional Office or kung talagang gustong dalhin personally, pa-receive doon sa EMB Regional Office sa record section ng EMB Regional Office. So yan po ang notification letter na sample natin na sinasubmit sa DNR EMB Regional Office in compliance with Section 9 of DAO 2014-02. Ito po ay sample lang at wala naman pong prescribed template. Pwedeng gayahin ninyo po ito kung magkakaroon man ng ganitong situation or circumstances. Kaya pwede po itong gamitin. Anong magiging gamit naman ito? Yung pong PCO na nag-resign o na-terminate, pag nag-apply siya ng bagong PCO accreditation, kung lumipat man siya at naging PCO din doon, pag nag-apply po ng PCO accreditation, hindi makikita sa system na duplication ng appointment or designation as PCO kasi na-update na ang database ng regional office o BMB. Is kasi ang rule ay dapat isang establishment lang ang hahawakan ng isang PCO. So kung nag-notify ang managing head sa EMB Regional Office na nag-resign na o na-terminate na ang services ng PCO kasama yung kanya accreditation doon, automatically revoke. Hindi makikita sa system na may duplication na. So makakapag-apply ng panibagong accreditation yung nag-resign o na-terminate na PCO sa ibang company. So maraming salamat. I hope kayo po ay may natutunan. And kung may gusto pa kayong malaman, mga sample ng mga mga templates, gusto niyo pang malaman tungkol sa mga environmental compliance, registration, reporting, permitting, please subscribe to this channel. Please follow, please share this video, please like this video. Maraming salamat sa ating lahat. Thank you po at mabuhay tayong lahat.